Now I will show you how to easily edit HTML files and what are the benefits and limitations of HTML files. So to open HTML file, we used to double click on it and Internet Explorer gets opened. So to edit this, right click, you can edit from here and from open with Notepad. So editing with Notepad is a difficult task. If you edit from here, it will get edited from front page. So click on it and see. So now you can see Microsoft front page have opened. Go to help and about Microsoft front page. We are using Microsoft front page 2002, which comes with Office XP. So you can press OK. So now you can see this information which you see in the screen gets displayed in the Internet Explorer. So to edit it is a difficult task in Notepad, but in front page it is easy. So I will show you how. So you can see the name of the file new.htm, and at the bottom you can see normal, HTML and preview. So if you click to HTML, the codes will come. So if you want, you can change the code from here also. You can see highlighted codes comes of the starting and ending, which makes it easier to understand. But to make it more easier, like you can see the course name have a spelling mistake here. You can come to normal and directly you can correct it here, COURSE. If you do any changes here, automatically you can see in HTML it gets changes here. So you don't have to take care of these codes. You can simply come here and do the changes. Now suppose you can see under Australia there are 1 and 2. If you want to add 3, usually we have to come to here and add the codes. So through front page what you can do, you can come to normal. First of all come to HTML and see Sydney and Melbourne have these 2 lines. So either you have to add the starting and ending tags and the city name, or what you can do through normal, you can come here and just press enter. Automatically the number will come and just type the city name like PERTH, Perth. So only this much you have to do. You can come to HTML and you can see automatically the starting tag, ending tag has been added and the city name is added. You can come to preview to see the output immediately. So this way it can be done, and when all is done you can press save. You can close, you can open through Notepad and see the changes. You can see automatically this line is added. So we don't have to find the codes and see this ugly codes and then write the required things. Through front page you can do it easily. So this is the advantage of front page. Now again suppose open it and go to edit. Suppose now you need some tabs, 1 2 3, like suppose you need this side and this one also. You can select and make it center. That's all. Now come to code and see. When you give center, you can see automatically it have added a line is equal to center. And when you give tab, you can see these tabs it have added automatically. Then this aptech focus, the sentence have come. So this one means one tab. So if you want to remove, you can come here and you can just remove it. Okay, this might be spaces. Okay, now come to HTML. So you can see nothing is there. When aptech computer education is written here, no disturbance is there. So come to normal, give one tab. Now come to HTML. Now you can see when you add one tab it adds and NBSP once, twice, thrice. Now let's press one tab again. Now again see it have added 1 2 3 was already there. It add 4. Actually 1 means one space. NB SP, SP might be space, and NB would be one space. So now you can save, close and reopen with Notepad. So you can see this code is added. So this way front page can be used. Now benefit of HTML. HTML is a simple but powerful formatting language to use. The simplicity of HTML allows anyone to create web pages. So this is the benefit of HTML. Now limitation. HTML does not have any programming capabilities and cannot provide anything more than formatted text, pictures and sound, which demands for the other programming and scripting language to be used along with as JavaScript, VBScript and Java. Along with it such as Java, script, VBScript and Java. So you cannot use any programming concept in HTML. For that you have to use JavaScript, VBScript or Java programming language. I will show you one more idea of editing HTML files. So double click on it. Microsoft Internet Explorer will open. You can press view and source. This file comes. Now suppose you want to make any changes like add dot. So you can press save. After pressing save, you don't need to close this notepad. Let it be open. Click on Internet Explorer or directly you can click fresh. You can see dot has been added. So whenever you want to make changes, come to notepad, make changes, save the file using Ctrl S and directly you can press this refresh button to get the latest. Thank you.